Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. So my daughter recently turned 2 and I wanted to go with a birthday theme that she might really enjoy. So I decided to go with this Candyland theme, as her recent favorites are candies and also she is learning colors right now. So I thought I can go with this theme because it is very colorful, and also this is the right age to bring this theme because toddlers are really fond of candies right now. So in this video I will be sharing the preparations that I did for this party, and I have covered as much as I can, and I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video. So let's just jump right into it. Though this theme is Candyland, I did not have any focal point to concentrate on because there are a lot of candies with a lot of colorful elements. So I wanted to go with one pattern that incorporates the entire Candyland theme. So I went with this pink and white stripes, and I made sure that I use this pattern in between other candy designs, and I decided to make the return gift bags, popcorn holders, and also the invitation with this pattern. So this is the invitation that I made. I was in a hunt for the striped gift bags and wrappers but wasn't able to find a proper one, so I took printouts of these striped patterns and I DIY'd the gift bags and also the popcorn holders. This is a template that I took printout. So initially I did not have any idea how to make a box, so I went searching for a proper template, but I wasn't able to find the right size because I did not have a laptop at that time. So I just went and took the actual printout and it turned out to be really small, so I extended the lines. And also this type I was not feeling very comfortable to make it, so I turned it this way, like the closure that comes underneath. So these were side pillows that was just laying around in the house, and I bought this when Zia was really small, so I decided to go ahead and make this look like a candy. So it's like I cut a wrapping paper and then I wrapped it around and I tied it with bows in both the ends, and it looked like a candy. It was just for a decoration, like a decor purpose I used it. So as for the decorations, I bought few products from Amazon and few from other local stores here. So I will try to link down all the products that I bought from Amazon in my description box below. Do check it out in case you're interested. So these were the balloons that I used for decoration, and this package really had all pretty pastel colored balloons, so I decided to use that. Here are a few serving plates that I bought, and this plate absolutely matches my theme, and it is actually the design that I bought last year as well. And also these two plates, I did not use it last year, so I hope I can use it this year. And all these plates, I bought this from Saravana stores, and they really had all pretty plates. I never expected them to have such, unique design. So I accidentally happened to notice these plates. I did not go in search of such plates, but I suddenly saw a set of plates and with these golden borders. So I thought I'll just look into the designs, but luckily I found the exact design that I was looking for, and all these plates are also reasonably priced, very pretty. So I use them for serving, and also they are such a beautiful decor piece as well. Generally for the decoration, we tend to concentrate only on the backdrop and balloons, and every other year the color alone gets changed. But this time I felt like this cardboard cupcake that I DIY'd gave a very different look. I did not have time to film the entire DIY part, but it is really easy to make. Just draw the design on a piece of cardboard and cut the design out, and also get a normal chart sheet according to the desired color of your theme and cut them too, and stick these two together with a double-sided tape, and there you have your cardboard cutout is ready. For the treats, I bought these ready-made cupcakes and donuts because I did not have time to bake them, so I bought the baked ones and made colorful chocolate dips for the donuts and flavored buttercream frosting for the cupcakes. So I'm going to be using all these for displaying the candies, cupcakes, donuts and all that. So these two platters, I have planned to keep cupcakes and donuts. I still have two more, and these two are going to be my constants in every birthday. So cupcakes, for the cupcakes, and I made these two, blue and pink striped popcorn holders, and another platter, and these are for displaying the straws and these wafer rolls, and also for lollipops, and I might be using this for candy and marshmallows. As for the balloon arrangements, I recommend you guys to use an electric blower, because last year we did it manually and it did consume a lot of time and energy. And one small suggestion that I would like to give at this time is do not fill the balloons fully with air, as it might burst very soon because of the tight air pressure inside. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and in case you're interested in watching my daughter's previous year's Flamingo birthday party prep, I will share the video's link in my description box below. Do check it out, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Like, share and subscribe. See you guys in another one. Till then, take care. Bye.